Hi, geographers. Hope you are really excited about your state and that you enjoyed the chance to set a purpose for your own research last time and just get some time exploring the sites that we are going to use, among other resources, to help you become experts on your state. Now, today, your teacher, me and your other teachers are going to give you your purpose for your research. And it's kind of a fun scavenger hunt type. Let me show you how it'll look. So today you'll learn more about the geography of your state. And you'll be filling out this note taker on Seesaw. It tells you very specifically where you need to look for things. And I'm going to walk you through that right now. So it says, look in the US map to find the region and borders for your state. Here's where it asks what US region is your state in, and it gives you the choices. And then what are your state's borders? Well, there's a doc shared with you in your Google Drive called State Project Websites 2021. The very first link is state abbreviations and US regions map. So that's what you need to use. You'll go there. If you didn't know your state's abbreviation already, you'll find it here. So you can fill that out on your note taker. That's in the top right corner. And then scroll down, and here is the regions map. So say I were studying Illinois, right? I find IL on my map right here, and I see that it's a purple state. It's in the Midwest. You already knew that. But so that's what I'll fill out right here. And then when it asks for your state's borders, please list out the full names of the states with correct spelling, because eventually you'll need to write these down in your state report, your essay. So we'll want the full names, not the abbreviations. And the way you get to that is by looking on the same map we were just in and look what's around it, right? So if I'm looking at Illinois, I can see it shares borders with Kentucky, Indiana, Lake Michigan. I'll want to put on there. That's not labeled, but we all know that one because Midwest. If you're not sure of something, you could research it on a different map. Wisconsin, Iowa, and Missouri, right? So now I have all of those. I'd list them out, and actually I'd want to list them by direction. So I should go back in here for a second, right? So if it said the states to the south, that's when I'm going to want to list Kentucky and Missouri, because those are in the southern direction. So you might have some overlap here on the borders you list if, or you know, if you can't decide if it's to the south or to the east. If it's both, you could put it for both, or you could make intermediate directions. Really want to make sure, though, that you've listed all the bordering states out on here. Okay, and then it says on World Book Kids, click icon on the side of the web page called the State in Brief. And that's where we're going to get all the other information on this note taker. It asks for the size in square miles, the rank by land area. Oh, actually, look, this one's found on 50states.com, so we'll have to go to a different site for that. The population, the rank by population, the date of statehood, when it was, what number state it was to join the USA, the capital city, the state motto, and the state nickname / popular name. So again, most of that we're going to get from World Book Kids by going to the in brief. So let me show you that. We'll go back to our websites and we'll go to World Book Online. Sign in. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to sign in with Google. I already have my password, just meant to sign in. 3 library books, and it's listed on multiple places if you forget. Then kids. Loading, loading. So I'll search Illinois. And this looks familiar. You probably already explored this resource last time when you had a chance to start your research. and set your own purpose for learning. And there we go. This is what I want, the state in brief. So I'll click on that. And now I have all that information I was looking for. The date of statehood, making it the 21st state to join the Union. The popular name, the land of Lincoln, capital. Oh, and it even has a fact about the capital. I might want to write that down in my box as well, just for some additional research. What else did it ask? Oh, the area in square miles, the land area in square miles, right? So for Illinois, it is 56,354 square miles. Again, this doesn't say the rank, so we'll have to find that elsewhere, but it does say the population. And then it says, wow, the population is 12,830,632, making it the 5th largest state in terms of population, 5th out of 50. Pretty cool. So this is where you're going to get most of your facts. Now, the last thing it said was we need the rank by land area. And I think it said 50states.com. So let's try this one. This one might not. No, you know what? Well, let's see if this has it. Otherwise, I might have to add one more site on there. Yeah, no, this one doesn't. Sorry about that. So I'm going to go into my teacher resources. Sorry about that. I will add this so that it's easier for you to click on, but oops, 2021 websites. You can ignore all these steps. You will not need to do these. I will make sure that this website is listed on what I share with you. So again, you'll just get that. You'll get that from the state project websites. I'll make that the 6th one right here, and I'll add it right after I finish this video. But so on this website, you might get pop-up ads. You can just ignore them. We're going to find Illinois, because I love to use Illinois as my example. And here we go. So it has the square miles of land area. It'll be interesting. You can check if this matches World Book. Sometimes they measure them at slightly different times. So if it's a bit more or less, it's not a big deal. You can use the one you wrote down from World Book. But here we go. It's the, oh, we want the land area. Sorry, so we're going to use this. And by land area, it is the 24th largest state. So that's the only kind of tricky one. Ranked by land area would be the 24th largest state. Everything else on here is from that in brief section. And you can have fun doing your state scavenger hunt, spotting all of these details about your state's geography. Email your teachers, as always, if you have any